Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the steps taken by the government to solve the problems faced by the people in developing their skills. In the previous class videos, we have studied about what are human resources and the problems related to human resources. Today we are going to learn about the steps taken by the government. A separate human resource department has been established by the Government of India to improve the human resources of our country. The following measures have been taken by the Indian government to solve the problems of human resources. First of all, the government has been providing work opportunities for the poor so that their children can freely go to the school. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan has made the education free and compulsory for all children up to the age of 14 years. The government has also banned the employment of children below the age of 14 years. Hospitals and health centers have been set up to provide health care to the people. Scholarship programs and rewards have been introduced to promote the education of girls. Student, the chapter Human Resources has completed. Now we are going to solve the book exercise related with this chapter. First we will discuss about blanks. Dash and dash and dash of the people are referred as human resources. Skills, efforts and knowledge of the people are referred as human resources. Due to the problem of dash, many issues arise in the development of human resources. Overpopulation. Lack of dash leads to the inability of the people to read and write. Lack of education. Many families do not allow girls to get education. The government has made free education compulsory for the children up to the age of dash years, 14 years. Now we are going to solve the match. First, skills, talents and knowledge. Yes, it is matched with human resources. Scholarship programs. Yes. Education of girls. Overpopulation restricts the development of human resources. Underdevelopment of skills. Yes, lack of basic facilities. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. It is matched with compulsory education up to 14 years of age. State whether the following statements are true or false. Skills, talents and knowledge of the people are known as natural resources. No, it is false. The government has not taken any steps to deal with the problems related to the development of human resources. False. Lack of health care does not affect the ability of the people to develop their skills. It is also false. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan has banned the education of children. No, it is also false. The government has introduced scholarship programs and rewards to promote the education of girls. Yes, it is true. Student, you have to write down this book exercise on your SST notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.